Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create organized layouts for your Canva designs? Canva Mobile provides different grid layouts that make it easy to arrange photos and content in a clean and balanced way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add grids in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing project or create a new project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap video. Then choose the design type you want to use. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design. Then select elements. The Elements panel will open. In the Browse Categories section, find and select Grids. Canva will display different grid layouts that you can use in your project. Tap the grid you want to add. The grid will be added to your design. You can resize and adjust the grid to fit your layout. You can also add photos or other content inside the grid areas. Customize the layout until it looks the way you want. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your project, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting, or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your project, and that's how to add grids in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.